Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are
I
you
can.
okay? So, are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Okay.
So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I came. I plan because I want to save money for my future and to help my family
Okay, so
also.
why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I have no extra money, ma'am, to pay for the placement fee.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. By the way, I am Jesseline Pimugan, 31 years of age. I live in Barangay 4, Poblacion, Nasipitagosan del Norte. I have 9 siblings and I am the second of them. And I had experience before from my past as a nanny, as a household worker all around. I can do ironing, laundry, and many things like inside or cooking. I love also cooking, and I love pets also, ma'am, especially dogs.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first. You are 31 years old, right? You are single and you don't have any children, correct?
No, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
April 14, 1994.
What is your height and your weight?
5 4'9", ma'am, and my weight is 58, 55 rather.
Okay, 5 and 55.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
College
My
graduate.
I took up Bachelor of Science in Library Information.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to work as a domestic helper?
Because for experience also, ma'am, and because I have no money to support my future career, so that's why I proceed and planning to go abroad.
Okay, so I would like to let you know the reality of working as a domestic helper,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
This job is a very tough job. Yeah, you need to get ready yourself. Houses here is very big, most especially if once you come to work here, you really be surprised the houses here. So you need to clean the entire house. The houses sometimes got six bedrooms, so you need to get ready yourself because as I have mentioned, we are not playing here, and being a domestic helper is not that so easy. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to ask you also about your family's details. Can you tell me more about your family's details?
Um, my father has a new wife now.
Okay, how old is your father and what is his occupation?
My father's occupation is a carpenter, and my mother. I have no mother, no mom, because she already died.
Okay. So what about your sibling? You are nine, right? According to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My our eldest is uh sh- uh he's 32 years of age now, and he has a work as a full-time caretaker of of the house.
Okay, so your family or your siblings allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, right? Because
Yes, ma'am.
you will going to sign a 2 years contract. And any uncertain
Yes, ma'am.
situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone. You're not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, the employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Ma'am.
As I have mentioned many, many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree because we don't force people you to come. It's you that wanted to come and work here because, as you have mentioned, you wanted to reach your dreams in life. So if you agree, then you can come. Please work properly and don't give us problem. If you disagree, it's okay also, no problem. You better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay? You mentioned just a while ago that you have a working experience in the Philippines as a nanny and you also do the caregiving for an elderly, right? So, how many years you work as a nanny?
I work as a nanny um, starting 2018 up to 2025.
You work for
Then,
7 years.
yes, ma'am. Then, I work as also as a caregiving to an elderly.
How many months?
Mm, maybe 4 years, ma'am.
4 years. So what year did you started and what year did you finished?
2018 as a nanny, then up to 2017.
Okay. 2018 to 2017, you work as a nanny.
Nanny.
Sorry, 2017 to 2018, you work as a nanny for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2018, you work as what?
I don't know, ma'am. I work as a nanny 2018 up to 2020, 2020, wait lang, wait. 2020,
So how
2013 to
what year did you started as a nanny?
started as a working student and also as a nanny 2013 up to 2018. 2017.
So you work 13, 14, 15, 16. So you work for 4 years as a nanny. Okay?
Ma'am.
So wait for a while. How old is the baby or the child that you take care?
3 years old, ma'am.
One only, is it?
Yes.
While taking care of this kid, you also do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after that, you do caregiving. Is it female or
Yes, ma'am.
male?
Female.
How old is she?
76 years old.
Okay, what year did you start working there and what year did you finish?
2018 up to 2025.
So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 45. So you work for 7 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So while taking care of this elderly, did you do the house chores or you just focusing taking care of her?
Do the household chores, ma'am.
Are you sure? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer? Because you've been them for 7 years.
Because I graduated already, ma'am.
Oh, you graduated already. So you mean this one, while you're taking up a course, you also do a caregiving, is it?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So you can do house chores and take care children or baby, right?
Only 3 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So infant, you don't want. Okay.
No,
Can
ma'am.
you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I can, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I can, ma'am, but not
It's okay. It's a yes
the
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah? So lastly, how do you fight your homesickness?
I fight my homesickness by calling my family and praying to God.
Okay. So I think
I,
that's all. Thank you
I
for now,
really
Jocelyn.
appreciate.
It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected
Thank
through
you, ma'am.
WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much and have a good day.
ma'am.